Okay, here we have the Ontario Joe Pardue Utilitac 2. It's a Linerlock knife that measures 4 5/8 inches closed. It is item number 8907. It has a stainless partially serrated clip point blade with black EDP coating and dual thumb studs. It has the grooved black Zytel handles, and it does include a reversible black finish stainless pocket clip and the black cord lanyard. It weighs about 0.35 pounds. Take a close look at the knife here. But there is the Joe Pardue Ontario knife, and thanks for checking it out.